Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into simple living room decorating ideas straight from a designer's playbook. Whether you're starting from scratch or just refreshing your space, these tips will help you create a stylish and comfortable living room with ease. First up, let's talk about minimalism. A simple living room thrives on the less is more approach. Start by decluttering your space. Remove any unnecessary items and keep only what you love and need. Opt for furniture pieces with clean lines and neutral colors to create a serene and open atmosphere. Remember, the goal is to create a space that feels both functional and visually appealing. A neutral color palette is key to achieving a simple and timeless look. Shades of white, beige, gray, and soft earth tones work beautifully in a living room. These colors not only make the room feel larger and brighter, but also serve as the perfect backdrop for any decor style. If you want to add a pop of color, consider incorporating it through throw pillows, rugs, or artwork. When it comes to furniture, functionality is essential. Opt for pieces that serve multiple purposes, such as a coffee table with storage or a sofa that doubles as a guest bed. Multifunctional furniture helps keep the space organized and clutter-free while ensuring that everything in the room serves a purpose. To add depth and warmth to a simple living room, incorporate various textures. Soft textiles like a cozy throw blanket, a plush rug, or velvet cushions can make the room feel inviting. Mix and match materials like wood, metal, and glass to create visual interest without overwhelming the space. Texture is a great way to add character to a minimalist design. Maximizing natural light is one of the easiest ways to enhance a simple living room. Keep window treatments light and airy, allowing sunlight to flood the room. Mirrors can also help reflect light and make the space feel more expansive. If you have a dark corner, consider adding a floor lamp to brighten it up. Lastly, don't forget to add personal touches. Simple doesn't mean impersonal. Display your favorite books, a few framed photos, or a piece of art that resonates with you. These small details will make the space uniquely yours and add warmth to the overall design. And there you have it, simple living room decorating ideas that can transform your space into a designer-inspired retreat. Remember, it's all about balance. Keep it functional, stylish, and true to your personal taste. If you enjoyed these tips, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more design inspiration. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.